This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan. Safety, space, and comfort. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, a built-in iPod integration cable, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a turbocharger, a locking differential, traction control and stability control systems, heated washer fluid, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, a multi-function display, cruise control, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 28,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.